Hello everyone, today we bring you only the best of the best. Ulefone just unveiled one of the world's most powerful 5G rugged tablet, Armor Pad 5 Pro, which sets the new standards in durability and performance. Designed for demanding professional environments, this rugged tablet delivers impressive capabilities, cementing Ulefone's position as a market leader in durable devices. Armor Pad 5 Pro comes with revolutionary features, including an ultra-long lasting 24,200 mAh battery with 120-watt super fast charging and a dual 1000 lumen capping lights and top-notch specifications. So let's go and see what is one of the most advanced tablet looks like today. As I said, one of the most powerful 5G rugged tablet on the market. We have it today in review. This tablet represents the pinnacle of rugged innovation with its massive battery capacity and professional-grade features designed for the most demanding users. Unfortunately, we didn't get to review the most powerful model, the Armor Pad 5 Ultra, which even has a laser projector that turns into a portable home theater, but we have equally powerful but more affordable variant, which is this Armor Pad 5 Pro model. So let's get started with unboxing. This is our tablet, and for now it's going a bit to the side until we check the contents of the box. What do we have here? A lot of paperwork, including this Armor Pad 5 Pro user manual, warranty card, and some more instructions. Yellow USB Type-C cable for charging, 120-watt ultra supercharger, a true powerhouse for rapid charging, something Samsung owners can only dream of. This is a SIM ejector tool and with some extra screws for the holder, a screwdriver which will be used to screw this metal holder or stand to our tablet. Now this premium tablet stand is crafted from a high quality aluminum alloy, offering a sturdy and stable structure that securely holds your Ulefone tablet at multiple adjustable angles for optimal viewing comfort. When you are watching movies, reading or typing, it is foldable and portable. Design makes it incredibly convenient to carry anywhere, while the slim, lightweight construction ensures easy storage when it is not in use, so definitely this holder is a very useful accessory. Okay, that was the contents of this sales package. That's all you get with this tablet. Now let's examine our Armor Pad 5 Pro more closely. The design and construction of the tablet can only be described as industrial elegance crafted for modern-day adventurers, engineers and first responders, rugged, nearly indestructible yet refined enough to meet professional requirements. Its rubberized exterior, reinforced with the durable polycarbonate and metallic touches, not only radiates toughness but delivers a firm grip. Every corner is armored with the additional reinforcement and a silver shield, creating appearance reminiscent of a tactical military gear. These aren't merely for show. This extra shielding is part of why it meets MIL-STD 810H standards, brushing off impacts that would destroy most consumers' tablets. The buttons and ports on the tablet are thoughtfully designed for rugged and practical use, guarantees accessibility and protection in harshest environments. On the right side edge of this tablet you will find the power button, which has a fingerprint sensor. Beneath is a volume rocker and a slim yet raised button that enables quick and precise adjustment of sound levels. Right next to it, securely protected by a robust rubber flap, lays the USB-C port, as well as a 555mm headphone jack ensures reliable audio connections without sacrificing durability. Below the SIM and the microSD tray culminates triple card slot for the dual SIM cards and a microSD card for the storage expansion. In addition to the grills of the stereo speakers, we also have them on the opposite side. The upper side features the orange programmable button, which is highlighted for visibility. This button can be customized to perform various functions such as launching emergency lighting, activating SOS alert, or any other applications you want to launch with them. Its positioning and flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for professionals working in the field, providing a quick access to the essential features. Right beside is a button that controls the dual real strong LED camping lights with up to 1000 lumen brightness each. The bottom frame houses a U-Smart connector to which you can connect the endoscope, a microscope, or any other compatible accessory. Every button and port is carefully positioned and reinforced with raised edges to prevent accidental pressure or damage during drops. The layout is user-friendly, enabling effortless use even in the challenging conditions like low light or wet and dirty environments. The Armor Pad 5 Pro is built to impress with its combination of a premium display and advanced functionality. One of its standout features is a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which provides exceptional clarity for selfies, video calls, and secure facial unlocking. This tablet features an impressive 11-inch IPS FHD Plus display, which combines durability and vivid visuals, with resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The screen delivers sharp, detailed images and excellently clearly for reading, watching videos, or working on professional tasks. The 90 Hz refresh rate guarantees smooth scrolling and fluid animations, creating a comfortable viewing experience that maximizes productivity as well as entertainment. With 600 nits of max brightness, the screen maintains readability even under direct sunlight, making it a dependable companion in outdoor environments. Customization is another strong point of this display. Features like adaptive brightness dynamically adjust to ambient light conditions, while dark mode and night light minimize strain on your eyes during prolonged use. The Armor Pad 5 Pro also offers the Gloves mode, a feature developed specifically for professionals working in rugged conditions. The tablet supports Wideband L1, guaranteeing HD streaming quality on platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu. Whether you are watching your favorite series, enjoying your YouTube videos, or immersed in your mobile gaming, the display elevates your content consumption experience. The combination of size, resolution, refresh rate, and color accuracy makes it a versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities both at the work and in the field, as well as the home. On the softer side, Armor Pad 5 Pro runs on the latest pure Android 15, so we are covered with all the latest Google features and capabilities. The wireless connectivity options on this model include NFC for Google Pay, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi Direct, and a CAST display. The tablet also supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou QZSS, and LC. Our review unit successfully detects a large number of satellites from all 6 position systems with outstanding accuracy of up to 1 meter. The Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Pro delivers outstanding performance, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400X chipset, built on an advanced 4nm process for maximum efficiency and speed. Its octa-core CPU, with cores clocked up to 2.6 GHz, guarantees smooth multitasking and energy-saving operation even under extreme conditions. The tablet includes impressive 32GB of RAM configuration, combining 12GB of physical RAM with 20GB of virtual RAM expansion, delivering exceptional memory for the most demanding applications with the butter-smooth usage experience. With substantial 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, expandable up to 2TB with microSD card, there is plenty of room for apps, files and media, so I believe you won't run out of free space for years. Advanced thermal management technology guarantees that this tablet maintains optimal performance even during intensive tasks. This configuration ensures blazing fast 5G connectivity with the full carrier capability, seamless multitasking and reliable performance for both professional and casual use, whether you are analyzing data, streaming content or playing graphically demanding games. On the rear, the tablet comes equipped with the impressive dual 1000 each lumen LED camping light system, transforming the tablet into a versatile lighting solution. This feature is designed not only for convenience but also to add functionality in professional and outdoor settings. Powered by up to 754 lightning beads over 6.8 watts, this high-intensive light projects beams over significant distance while maintaining energy efficiently. The built-in LED light is powerful enough to replace separate devices like flashlight, headlamps or portable camping light, making it an indispensable tool for those who work or explore in a rugged environment. The tablet transforms into a multifunctional lighting solution, replacing the need for flashlight, headlight or portable camping light thanks to its built-in dual LED light system. With just a simple press of one of the key lighting button or through the app, you are able to access to a bright, durable light source immediately. The app supports 4 distinct modes: lightning, sharp light, always lightning and SOS. This dual access setup guarantees that you can quickly illuminate your surroundings whenever you need it. Additionally, the one-touch emergency alert activates powerful dual warning light, guaranteeing long-range visibility and safety in critical situations. The Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Pro features an exceptional camera system. The 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 primary view camera captures sharp and vibrant images with exceptional detail even in challenging conditions. This sensor guarantees excellent clarity, making it ideal for both professional documentation and personal photography. The camera supports a maximum of 4K video recording at 30 fps, providing high-resolution detailed videos with a smooth playback, perfect for capturing professional-grade footage or outdoor adventures. What truly distinguishes this tablet is its advanced 64-megapixel infrared night vision camera system, assisted by the 4 powerful infrared LEDs. This cutting-edge technology reveals hidden details in complete darkness, providing safety and surveillance capabilities. With advanced image processing and robust software, the camera system excels in capturing fine details across all lighting conditions, guaranteeing versatility in various environments. To get a sense of this camera performance, it's best to check out a few sample photos and videos we capture using our Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Pro, so let's take a look. The Armor Pad 5 Pro is equipped with a truly enormous 24,200 mAh lithium battery, makes it the ultimate powerhouse for extended usage in demanding environments. This exceptional capacity guarantees extensive operation time, supporting up to 119 hours of voice calls, 119 hours of video streaming, and the extraordinary 1,662 hours of standby time on a single charge. For charging, the tablet supports 120-watt ultra-fast wireless charging with a dual-cell design and a 7.74-watt rapid charge technology, dramatically reducing downtime when recharging and promoting long-term battery health. Additionally, it includes 10-watt reverse charging feature via USB OTG, allowing the device to function as a powerful power bank, providing emergency power for your phone, headphones, smartwatch, and other devices. This tablet establishes as impressive benchmark for durability, engineered for withstanding the toughest conditions with IP68 and IP69K ratings. It provides superior waterproof and dustproof protection, guaranteeing that it thrives even in the harshest environment. It also meets the rigorous MIL STD 800H military standard, making it drop resistant and capable of handling extreme shocks and vibrations. The Armor Pad 5 Pro is a rugged and versatile tablet engineered for the toughest environments, with high waterproof and dustproof ratings and military standards for drop resistance. It's built to handle extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor activities and field work. So if you're impressed by what this rugged tablet can do, and I'm sure you are, make sure to check out the official purchase link down below this video. Take advantage of a currently promotional price while it's available and get your Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Pro today. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video review. Until then, bye.